How to change background color on Weebly. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change background color while creating a Weebly website. So let's get started. You will simply open up your Weebly editor where you are editing your website, and this is where you will get. To change background color, you just have to click on the background right here, and it will select the background of your section or of your page. So I have selected the background, and now you will see this option right here which says edit background. Click on edit background, and now you can see we have image, color, gradient, and video. So we want to change the color of the background, so I'm going to select this option, click on change color, and now I can just select my hue. So I can just customize it the way I want. Right now it's white, but I can change the color, and you can notice in the background the color is changing. So I can just select any color I want. You can see we can also select the shade and hue, everything. So I'm gonna go with this color right here, and once you're done you can just go back, and this is how you can change your background color on Weebly. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.